Yo, what's up everybody, welcome back to another episode on the channel, guys. So today I'll be explaining how I downloaded Visual Studio Code on my Chromebook. So some people may have a Chromebook only, so they may want to code or something like that. So this video will help you, and I'll be explaining how I got Visual Studio Code. So how we get it. So first we go on google.com, then type in visual can't pronounce it, Visual Studio Code. So it should come up here. So then you go on to the download. So you may see this, you just go on download. So when you're here, so for Windows users, you'll obviously use Windows, Mac, that. So but we're using Chromebook. So for Chromebook, yeah, we're gonna download this one. So this one. So I've already had it downloaded, so I'm not going to. So when it's downloaded, you should see it come up here. So when it comes up, you see you'll have a file. So the file name should be Visual Studio, but to do the next part you need Linux. Alright, so you can just get Linux by going to settings. On your settings, yeah, go down, you can just search up Linux. Okay, Linux, and then you'll have to like download it, all that. And then when that's downloaded, then you can go on Linux files, yeah. So here, yeah, you should see it, and then you like this here. If I do it with this here, I just transfer it like that. So when it's transferred, it'll be loading up here, and then if you just go on your everything, yeah, down here, you should see Linux apps and Visual Studio Code right there. Alright. For some reason, mine's taking a while to load up, but anyways, it will be there. So when you click on it, you'll see like all that thing. You have to get started and all that, and here you'll just be like, it'll just be like Windows and Mac where you can code. So Linux files, it should be around here for you, where you have to just transfer here. I already got 2 months. So when you try to load it up, it'll be loading. Alright, don't keep on pressing, or it'll open so much tabs it won't let you. So just wait and let it load. For Chromebook, it does take a while to go through the process, but it does work at the end. And this, yeah, I found really useful. It's easy. You don't have to go to the Linux, what's called Linux terminal, and code, add a piece of code, all that. This is way more easier. So you will feel it's lagging, or in the start some people do feel it's gonna lag. Anyways, you see this, and then you can just open file, new file, or open a folder. I think I've already had a file. Okay, so let me just create a new file, yeah. Okay, let me see. But yeah, here you can do a lot of stuff. So let me just create a folder here. So let me just open it. Here you can actually do like real codes and all that. It's not like thingy fake YouTube. So that's created. I can just open this. So I can just add index.html. Let me just turn up the brightness. So you can actually like do real coding here. HTML. So Okay, I'm gonna. You can like meaning by what I mean. You can actually like do I know it's wrong, but you can do like real coding. So add the title. I can see the title is YouTube tutorial, and then I can add a font like big. I want it. Welcome to no H1. Let's say I've got live now. So this, if you want to see like what you think is, so like after you have to like you want to see. I know this is gonna come up. Don't worry, I can remove that. If you want something to come up, so you just have to go download it from here. Extensions, you have to just go download it. It doesn't take that long. You can just download it. It will help you out. So yeah, that's how it works. How you download it as well. So I'll be doing more tutorials and some gameplay coming out. So just stay tuned. I'm gonna see you all next time. Goodbye. Peace.